is up, YouTube? This is Shock here with another video for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to uncorrupt a MP4 file on your Android device. So first you want to go to the Google Play Store and type in MP4 Fix, and it should come up as MP4 Fix Video Repair Tool. Click and open, click install, and wait for it to load up. Okay, and then you allow. And as you can see, I have two corrupt files, so I'm going to click on the video file that I've been working on. Okay, so you click repair, and there it is. It's going to start repairing it now. Yep, there it is. It's repaired. So they have a few options on here. The first two are free, but the other three you have to actually pay for it. But I'm going to show you a trick real quick. Okay, so you see how it says you go premium for $5.99? You don't have to do that. I'll show you a trick. Okay, so if you have some type of screen recording app, you can just use that, and whatever your preview is, you can just click on it and it'll record the whole thing, so you don't have to pay. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace out.